Hello, classmates in the web design class. Welcome to my website. It's kind of fun to be on camera as we've never had the chance to actually meet. So I get to see your faces for the first time when seeing these presentations. I am introducing my website in this presentation. It is a site designed to house my illustration and fine art. I'm aspiring to be a freelance illustrator and a fine artist. And this is the site designed to show that work. This is my home page, and I'll scroll down so you can see. So I'm going to move my box over a little bit. Oh, no, not my home page. Just a minute. Now the home page. Yay! This shows the home page where I have the portfolio link, the commissions, should you be interested in such, and then my shop with art for sale and print. Quick blurb about the artist, and then at the bottom of the home page there's a link to connect and follow the work. Currently links to my Instagram feed, but hopefully in the future we'll link to Kickstarter, where I will be presenting projects that can be funded. And then the bottom navigation. My social links at the top, and they're not sticky yet. I wasn't going to pay the money for it, but I would love it if they were. And I'm just going to go through the navigation of the site. This is my About page. Describes my work as a dancer before I became a shift into artist. And then, of course, the blog posts over here. Gallery, which is designed to show works. Basically, it links also from the home page. This links to the gallery. The portfolio link is this link as well. And just shows all my works. I really loved how this layout showed out. And I like that when you click on a piece, it shows up a little bit bigger. And then you can scroll through seeing the pieces slightly bigger. X out of that. I liked that feature. And what is actually listed as portfolio is a projects page. I may change that navigation thing. And it shows particular projects that I'm working on. I've done dance paintings as portraits. So there's that. And then costume illustration. And so it goes through and shows those works. I do have a contact page with my contact form to get in touch with me. And if I scroll back to the home page, the commissions connects to that contact page for requests. And I also showed a little video here with a work in progress. So that's neat. Also on the home page, connect to my shop, which in the future will hopefully have prints available, but currently it just has current works of art, original works of art for sale, and those you can see here. I've got one sold, and then works for sale here at the bottom. Original artwork is so cheap because I'm beginning, so if you're interested. And then finally I have my blog, where I show work in progress for my blog posts. This is Romeo and Juliet finished, and I describe a little bit about the process and have a few work in progress photos. And then my current project I'm working on is the Advent Elves. It's a fun project. It is an art challenge where I'm drawing a new elf character every day and posting that on my social media. And this connects to that and talks about the process or the reason that I'm doing that. And then also, I have my analytics page. Setting goals is important. I'm pretty certain that most of these analytics are my one active user right now. That would be me. Has me working on the site. So I'm sure these analytics all reflect just that particular work. I haven't yet announced this site, so it hasn't gone live from my Facebook and Instagram and social media feeds. So this is mostly all my traffic. but still I'm pretty pleased how the site turned out. My favorite things about it are this logo and the nice layout. I like the color scheme with the dark blues and the pops of red, and I'm hoping that it has more functionality in the future. This is my site, and I appreciate you watching. I hope you guys all had really great times putting together the things that you're doing, and I'm looking forward to seeing your work. Thank you so much.